One of the most common questions we're asked is what is the difference between our design consultants coming out and working with you and doing custom window treatments and going to the store, a large box store or another provider that might have window blinds in stock and available and able to do yourself? Well, there's a couple of things to take into consideration. And the first of all, honestly, is the cost. The cost for store-bought shades that are stocked on a shelf, where they might alter them to your sizes there at the store location, is the least expensive way to go in window coverings. And you can find some very nice options there that would look nice in your windows and might offer a potentially custom look depending on how they're cut at that location and what style you choose. Now, in that situation, you don't have the expertise of what type of shade and why we use that type of shade. And of course, our 31 years of experience in determining what looks good, what doesn't, what works and what doesn't. But people that are handy and good do-it-yourselfers would do a nice job of figuring out how to get those shades in the window and do that at a greatly reduced cost. Anything that you purchase for your home that is custom tailored for your home is of course going to cost you more money. And in our experience, in our 31-year experience, it's you get what you pay for. And if you're looking for simple and easy and readily available at a low cost, well, that's exactly what you get at a box store, and they're good, reputable companies that stand behind their products, and I'm sure you'll have a good experience with them. However, our process differs. We have 31 years of experience. We have certified design technicians and designers. We have installers that we employ. We don't subcontract our labor because we like the ultimate level and control on installing a custom product. And we can come out, we can advise you, we can give you our design ideas and styles. We can measure based on experience. We can custom make it to fit your window opening exactly and precisely and control how it's going to operate within that space. We can come out, we can install that for you with a professional installer and adjust it on site to make sure that it fits and finishes exactly the way that you expected, and more often not exceed those expectations. That option is going to be more expensive because, like I said in the beginning, you do get what you pay for, and for those ideas and skill and expertise and experience, you're going to pay more. You're going to pay a little bit more. In most cases, not appreciably more, but marginally more. And you're going to get a superior experience and a superior product. The box store products and the ready-made products are fine. They work very well. And in many cases, they're going to be exactly fine for doing exactly what you need them to do. But if you want a custom experience and you want a custom look and something that looks just right with your decor, give us a call at One Stop Decorating. We'll set you up with one of our experienced consultants to come out, take precise laser measurements, help you visualize your products on the window with visual renderings, show you samples in the products, and then custom order those products and install them for you so that you can enjoy them for years to come.